Hi everyone, it's Age Graceful. Spring is in the air, and this month KIRF Collabs is creating spring makeup looks. Stephanie from CreativelyMsMe Channel is the manager of our themes for this quarter. This month's task is to create looks using light shades. Let's check out the ladies' inspiration photos. I'm going to leave a link to each of the ladies' channels in my description box area. After you're done watching my video, please go over to their channel and support them. Please leave a comment and a like and let them know that Age Graceful sent you. Enjoy! So today I've already done my eyebrows, and I used my dark brown pencil by Maxi that I got from my stylist Miriam, and I cleaned up my brows, and I used the MAC Pro Long Wear Concealer, and the shade is NC25, and this palette I've had, like I said, over a year. It's the Zoeva Blanc Fusion palette, and this palette boasts highly pigmented shades that blend well. So I'm going to show you the shades. Here is kind of like off-white, and I'm selecting these three shades here at the bottom. To begin, I'll moisturize using Sunday Riley's CEO Moisturizing Cream. And then I will prime my complexion using the Professional by Benefit. As my transition shade, I'm going to use the shade called Travel Inspired, which is a light beige color. I made a mistake earlier with the pronunciation of the name of this palette. The pronunciation is actually Zoeva Blanc Fusion. On my outer third, I'm going to apply a deeper shade called Conked. I will run this shade from my outer third into my crease area. Initially, I was going to use 4 shades, but I think this last one will be it. I'm going to pick up the shade called Noble, and I'm going to apply that to my lid area. This shade has a little bit of shimmer to it. Now that I have my Noble shade in place, I'm going to use a blending brush and blend at the crease area. Using my black e.l.f. liquid liner, I'm going to create a wing. Thinking of the warmer weather, spring and summer, what type of lighter shades do you like to wear? I have an all-white party to renew a 10th year wedding anniversary coming up soon, and I think that this will be the perfect look. My dress will be a stark, solid white. However, I think I can go a little softer on my eyes. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments section. Now I will use a black gel liner on my waterline. On my complexion today, I'll be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Full Coverage Matte Foundation. This is in shade Amber Honey, which is 5N2. Today I'm using a full coverage concealer as my highlighting concealer from Ruby Kisses. This is in the shade Medium. For contouring, I'm going to be using a foundation stick by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the shade Ebony. Now that my concealer has set up a bit, I'll blend that out as well. Okay, so I've put on my lashes, and these are some really natural looking lashes. They're by Kiss, and the style is called Midnight. So now you're going to see me apply my blush. I'm using the Alamar palette. And then for highlighter, I'm going to go with the Juvia's, the Taupes. And there is a real shimmery shade in here. This deeper one, I like that because it reminds me a little bit of the deeper shade that I have on my outer V. That's what I'm going to use for my highlight. And the next time you see me, I'll have on my lipstick. Today the lips, well actually it's lip gloss. I'm going to be using this NYX Lingerie Push-Up as my lip liner, but it's a lip color. And then I'm going to use Flower Bomb, I believe it is, by Morphe. I believe it's Flower Bomb, and it's kind of a pinky nude shade. So, like I said, when I'll come back, I'll be putting that on. So, see you in a few minutes. This shimmery shadow in the pan looks sort of deep. However, once I applied it to the brush and then to my skin, you can see how beautiful it actually is. Just a little bit more across the top of my lip. As I said, I was using the NYX Lingerie Push-Up lip color. And this is a brown, and I'm using it as a lip liner. I already have some on. I'm just going to touch it up though, just a little. Then the Morphe lip gloss, I said Flower Bomb, it's Flower Crown. So I'm just going to put this in the center, just like this. And this is a pinky nude shade. And there we have it. Okay, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my video as well. I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos. It means a whole lot to me. I hope that my video will inspire someone this spring. Take care. Bye.